It's funny because I was leaving with the intention of going to the gym to get a workout and a nice shower. And then I thought, well, I wish I could go hiking instead. And like, yes, you can. You're so close to beauty here. Nature, and not just any nature, but amazing places are so nearby. So no excuses for me. I'm doing this nomadic lifestyle all wrong, and I know it. But there is a very good reason for it, and I want to tell you why.
Can I have a word?
You see, nomads are those smart individuals that move from time to time according to their needs. They don't have a stick and bricks home. There are also the snowbirds, another set of smart people that move according to the weather. So whatever the weather is good, that's where they go. And that's the smart thing to do. However, there are also nomads like me. Unexpected things happen, and we also move according to those needs. Let me explain something to you.
Can I have a word to speak of my mind? I cover my eyes to see what's inside.
I like most nomads and I like most snowbirds. I'm going to spend the winter in Utah. It's gonna be a white winter for me, just like my hair. So I feel like I'm starting this nomadic lifestyle the wrong way. I spent the summer in Arizona, although I discovered Arizona is underrated and I wasn't in the hottest place. I discovered many things about Arizona that I want to share with you, but not everything because the locals said don't share all of our secrets, so I won't. I keep my word, okay? And now I'm going to spend the winter in Utah, but you know what? That's why I installed a wood stove in my RV. I don't want to run from the weather, and I want to be where I'm needed when I'm needed. This is a beautiful life, especially because of the freedom that it provides, but isn't without challenges. And like you, I also have my own priorities. I choose to live this way because I have children in different states, and I love the freedom to be there if they need me. That's priority number one. And after my son's last visit, I realized that he needs me to be near him. So I am back in Utah. In Utah, I love Utah. I mean, look at this. So I have a lot of beautiful videos to show you. I mean, fall is in Utah and in the most beautiful way.
Don't say, darling, 'cause you'll fake it. Don't hide the tears, 'cause I know you're breaking. All this love and all this pain you've given. All this love and all this pain, you bring them from another world.
I don't know, I would love to do a live because there's so many things that I want to share with you. For example, I was proposed, in matrimony. I'm like, no, the fact that you have an RV and I have an RV doesn't make me wife material. So there are so many things that I want to talk to you about, lessons I have learned and experiences I have had living as a nomad. Nomad my own way, nomad under my own needs. So, is this nomad doing nomadic life wrong, the wrong way? And I say yes and no, and it depends on who you are. And that's the point of life. You live it according to your terms, no one else's. So no judgment, and it's be and let be. Anyway, I wanted to give you a little bit of an update how I'm doing nomadic life, quote unquote, the wrong way, and how I am gonna pull through the challenges. I will see the other side. And I wanna share the ups and downs with you, and I hope that you take something from it. Thank you for watching, and wow, I'm gonna enjoy the sunset. Just the beauty that put the smiles on my face and heals my soul. So same for you, come out from wherever you are. Come and enjoy Mother Nature while we still can.
Another tear just burst from the side of your eye, and I know what you're saying, and I know it's a fucking lie. All this world, damn lie.
Whose gorgeous Jeep is somewhere over there? Oh, so cute. Look at that. Look at that handsome Jeep right there. Oh, I love it so much.
All this love and all this pain you've given.
I know people think of cars or vehicles in general as females, but I can't think of my handsome Jeep as a female. Oh, look at how handsome. Oh, I love it. It's so fun. So fun. Look at that view.
Now the summer lies on my doorstep, and outside there's a light, and it's getting bigger, and you know it. All this love, damn lies, all this pain, and those fine, fine eyes. All this love and all this pain you've given. All this love and all this pain you bring me from another.
It's a gorgeous, gorgeous evening. There's really no right or wrong to do your life, nomad or no nomad. Thank you for watching. I love you, my friends. Ciao. Mwah.
All this pain you've given. All